Find the first 5 terms of the sequence given the nth term. A sub n equals negative 3 raised to n. The base in this example is negative 3. We're going to let n be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to find the first 5 terms. We're going to use these values of n. The first one will be a sub 1. So a sub n is a sub 1 equals negative 3 raised to 1. And negative 3 raised to 1 is simply equal to negative 3. So again, this is for n equals 1. When n is equal to 2, then a sub 2 equals negative 3 raised to n, or raised to 2, or second power. A sub 2 equals negative 3 squared. That is the same as negative 3 times negative 3. That is positive 9. For n is equal to 3, a sub 3 equals quantity negative 3 raised to the third power. Negative 3 raised to the third power is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Negative times negative is positive, times negative. Final answer is negative. Next, when n is equal to 4, a sub 4 equals negative 3 raised to the fourth power. You can compute this using your calculator, but if in case you want to answer it manually, this is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. There are 4 negative 3's that will be multiplied to one another. 3 times 3 is 9. Remember that. 3 times 3 is 9 also. And 9 times 9 is 81. Negative times negative is positive. Negative times negative is positive. So positive times positive is positive 81. So that is a sub 4. Can you give us the value of a sub 5? Kindly write your answer in the comment section below.